Segments are used to separate your audience into different parts based on various filters, such as communication channels and browsing or shopping behavior, so that later you can use those segments in your automations and campaigns, as well as in Facebook ads and Google ads, so that you can make your marketing relevant and personalized. Some of the most common use cases of segments include segments of subscribers by channel, of big spenders and VIP customers, of win-back opportunities, of upsell and cross-sell automation opportunities, as well as inactive contacts, and many, many more. Your segments are created under the Audience tab. But before we dive deeper, I want to draw your attention to the Suggestions tab. This includes segments that have been pre-built by our team for you, so you can create one of them in your account within just one click. So make sure to check out the suggestions and apply them to your marketing strategy, or use them as reference while creating your own segments. Let's go back to all contacts. And at the top of the page here is where you can see all of your selected rules. Rules are essentially the filters by which you narrow down your audience for the segment. Rules are later combined into rule sets and, if needed, are narrowed down further using additional filters. And then the AND or parameter determines how all of the rules and rule sets interact within the segment. Or means that your contacts have to fulfill either or of your selected rules or rule sets in order to appear within the segment. While AND means that they would have to fulfill both or all of them if you have AND selected for all of them. Otherwise, they're not going to appear in the segment. And the rest of the page is populated by your contact list. Keep in mind that the list is updated automatically, so you can see the effect of your selected rules in real time. After your segment is saved, you can find it under the Segments tab. If needed, here is where you can edit, delete, copy, or export the segment, as well as use it to create a custom audience in Facebook ads or Google ads. And the segment is also available when selecting contacts for your automations and campaigns. To recap, now you know how to create a segment from one of our recommendations, how to use rule sets, rules, and filters, how to make sure that they interact the way you need them to, how to navigate the contact list, and also where to find your segments in order to edit or apply them. To learn more about the operations you can perform with segments as well as profitable use cases, make sure to check out the knowledge base articles that are linked in the description.